Hello friends, you're gonna hear some violin music playing in the background, but don't mind me because my daughter's practicing right now and I was really excited to get this opened and shared with you so that I can go on with my day. So here's my gillio. She came, the Miyakara, and so let's take this out. Excuse that. Scissors away. Okay. Wow, they really fancied up their box. Is this like a new thing, or are you guys getting this, or is it just me? Because it used to be like the older boxes. Anyway, okay, so here we go. Beautiful. Oh wow, I really like the presentation. Ooh, is it just with the Miyakaras, or is this like a new thing that they're doing? Answer down below in the comments if you guys know. This is just amazing. Oh my goodness. So this is supposed to be, hold on, let me just make sure. This is supposed to be the Toscana Gold calf leather premium good deal with gold shiny 30 millimeters cross rings. So let's check it out. Okay, the feeling, oh, the smell is very leathery. It's not the same as the Bogo leather, but I kind of like it. Now, if this was a planner cover, the Toscana leather for the bound book, I don't know, I might not like it because it is a little bit stiffer than the gold in the Epoch leather, and it's definitely darker, you guys. I don't know if you could tell on the with my lighting right now, but it is definitely darker. Like, it's almost comparable to this. Let me go grab my gold and the polka leather before we open this guy up to just compare. Okay, I am back with the other gold I have, and this is the Epoca leather in the gold. So let's just really quickly compare. So yeah, this was the presentation we had before, right? This was the whole presentation we had, and then they really upgraded it, or it's for this type of planner cover, I don't know. But here's the comparison between the two. So let's get these boxes out of the way. So just to compare, this is the Epoca leather for my Hobonichi weeks. And I did, you guys, I did put some stuff on here to just protect the leather and also clean it at the same time. So there's that. But yeah, it's aging nicely. It has a beautiful color and squishiness. This is not as squishy as this. It almost kind of reminds me of my personal Moterm, wrap the Moterm. So this is the Moterm cover leather. I don't know if you could see the difference between the two. So there's that. I feel like the texture is pretty similar. I mean, this is pretty squishy for a Moterm, so that I think this is why I love this so much. And then definitely this one is like, yeah, it's like super squishy. This one, but just letting you know, I love it. And I love how smooth this is, so it has like a little contrast going on, whereas this doesn't. It's just all the same, right? And then this also is just the same, so it doesn't have a contrast. But this has an actual contrast. It's fancy, it's bougie, I love it. Okay, so just got that out of the way. This is gold and Epoca leather, and this is gold and Toscana leather. Okay, because I'm just gonna leave this here because that is gonna go into here very shortly. Let's put it that way. Okay, so let's open this guy up. Oh. Okay, and I did order a gold shiny pen, And again, I forget to tell them to give me black ink and not the blue, because I would love to use this in here. How fancy would that be? When I was younger in high school, I used to use blue ink all the time, but I'm just not into it anymore. I like my black ink. So, okay, so it doesn't have an opening there. This is my first time ever with a Miyakara, so just bear with me for a second here. So there's a big pocket here. Love that. Oh, this is workable zipper. I love that. Then it's not like super like hard to reach. Okay, there's another pocket right here. Super deep. And then this is supposed to come off. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna love it, you guys, because it's still the 30. I don't know, do you guys know if this is supposed to be 35? Does that look the same to you? It looks about the same, doesn't it? I think this is 30. I don't think it's 35. And then this, I know I ordered 30 for sure. So if that's the case, I would imagine this to be a lot. I mean, it's gonna be like thick, right? It's gonna be thick, but it doesn't have all this on the sides. So that would be kind of neat. Oh my goodness. And she pretty. There's like, I don't see a scratch, nothing. Beautiful. And how does it compare to the cover? Pretty good, you guys. Seems smoother, but to my eyes here, it's the same. Maybe it's a little rougher here, more textures, but oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, so let's take those off. We don't need that. And this is the little authentication thing. Should probably keep these. Guys, one thing with me is I never sell my covers. I think I'm gonna start selling my covers. I have so many covers, you guys. But yeah, these are just beautiful. Another pocket here, and then another pocket here in the front. That's cool. So if I ever wanted to use a bound planner with this work. So let's just see if my B6 would go in here. All right, just for funsies, this is what I brought. I brought the 2023 Common Planner and B6 the full year. So let's try this one. Seems like it's gonna fit, wouldn't it? Stop. Oh my God. It fits. It fits. So it's like two planners in one. This is a filled up B6. I totally use this up. You guys know this. Paper Test Designs. It was like my go-to of last year. So almost every page, I can't imagine what I didn't fill up. So this is pretty filled up with a lot of memories and functionalities there. So if we were to do that, it still fits just fine. I could even chunk it up more and it would still fit. Now there is that little, you see that? So it's not like a squeeze on type of fit, as you can see. It kind of moves around. This is the Paper Test 2024, same as this one. Really haven't used it. So this is like, imagine if you had a new B6, it would probably like, run around like this in here, but you could definitely use this for this. That's cute. You could even put probably a Stalogy or something else in here. Okay, so enough about the B6 because I don't even know why we're talking about B6 right now, but just in case, that was exciting. So if I were to use this is super exciting. Did you guys put it, wait, was it here? Yeah, I think it was there. And then there's a big old pocket in the back and it still lays very, very flat. So that is super exciting. I am probably gonna set this baby up real quick and come back to you guys and see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move a lot of things over. Okay. All right, it is absolutely packed up house. but it's gonna work. This is going to work. I love it. Look at how beautiful that is. Just like my side tabs popping out like this. I think I might trim this down or get rid of it altogether and put it in my memory keep. Okay, now let's actually put it all together. Just need to go. Oh, okay. If I could just put it all together. Look how beautifully decorated my planner is. This is like, this is Helen style, you guys. Maybe I can put this in here. Make it less messy. There you go. And maybe even a paper clip in there. Oh, do highlighters fit in here? Oh my God, stop, get out. Okay, just stuck a highlighter in there, you guys. This is the favorite pen that I'm using right now. So let's see if that fits beautifully. And then this thing, maybe I can squeeze it in here. What do you think? Does that look okay? So my highlighter's in. And then finally with the planner and the highlighter in the front, how's that gonna look? Is it just not gonna close for me? Or this really is weird. Maybe I could just stick it somewhere. Is there somewhere to put it? Is there another place? Ugh. Okay, maybe it just goes here. Get out of there, insurance paper. Okay, I'm just gonna pop it in there. How about that? Okay, there you go. That's more like it. That's how I had it in the other planner. So with the highlight, okay, that highlighter's not working out. No, it's just too much. Okay, so without the highlighter, ooh, she thick, but it's gonna work, huh? What do you think, guys? Would you do it? Is this something you would do? I love it. I think this is my planner for the fall. I think I'm gonna just fall in love with her. I was just recently in my natural undyed by Gillio, the polka leather. Not this leather, this gunnet leather. But then I swapped it into this again because of the squishiness, and I just like the feel of it. And you know, when you are working in a planner all day, throughout the day, like me, like all day, you guys, I'm like, literally, this is like my navigation guide to my life. I don't even know what time to cook or leave the house to pick up a child without my planner. So, when you're like that, you really gotta love your planner cover that you're using. And sometimes, depending on the planner cover, it makes me feel very motivated to do things or not motivated to do things. So there's that too. So that's just me. I don't think everyone's like me, but I'm just like that. I think I'm gonna love this, you guys. I do, however, feel the need, okay, to kind of de-chunk this. Is that even a word? A little bit, but I do have some inserts back here like this. Guys, I am making something right now for all of us. It's gonna be fun. Just a little glimpse into what I'm making. Yeah. If the time comes to kind of show you more of this, I will definitely do that. And it will be up on the members section once it's tested by me. Yeah, so there's my planner, you guys. Without closing the clasp, it's huge. It feels huge like that. It feels huge on the hand as well, because there's all this. There's that third layer, there's that fourth layer in there, right? The back of this is inside, and then I have this little notebook that I really need. So yeah, so it's a whole thing, but she is definitely my, I'm just hugging it, you guys. She is definitely my girl for the fall and possibly winter too. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful day where I got my planner delivery from Belgium. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.